Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I wanted to come on to show you the issue that I've been having with my Rain-Bird. So I purchased this unit probably, well, exactly 1 year ago. And so I used it to, irrigate on my backyard. And I also have one in the front yard that I use for my super petunias that I had growing bubblegum in the front. So now that I have the garden, I want to make sure that this season, we're good. I didn't use it during the winter, so I'm just now turning it on so I can run it. And lo and behold, it leaks like crazy. And I couldn't understand that. So I took it apart. I thought at one point of it, this piece here is where the leak was coming from. So I purchased just that piece from Amazon, just for one of them, to see if that would fix the problem. Well, when I hooked it up, same issue, still leak. So I was like, you know what? This product is 1 year old. So I called Rain-Bird and I told them the issue that I was having. They wanted to see a receipt of when I purchased it, and then they wanted a video of it leaking. So I did all of that and I showed it to the lady uh, by video. And she was like, "Well, what we could do is send you out, two new ones that have the copper fitting, so that these were pretty much plastic." And she said that would fix the problem. So here's a video of me receiving the new two, and they sent me two of them, Rain-Bird drip irrigation kits, so that I can replace the one that I have. It still leaks, but not as bad as the other one. Now, you will see me in this video tighten it up using the wrench. I have rheumatoid arthritis, so I have no strength in my hands, but I'm using that wrench just to tighten it. I'm not like super tightening it or anything like that. It's just that I don't have the strength in my hands to tighten it up. So here's the video, and I am turning this on automatic to where it will water for 30 minutes every day. I'm only going to do that for 2 days because my garden has not been watered good enough. So I wanted to get, good and wet. And then after that, I'll switch it back to where it'll water for 10 minutes once a week. So here's the video and enjoy.